let's see the quick demo of room rent management system which I just built using free GLM 4.7 cloud version over here. And also there is some limitation we just found, so that we will describe, and also there is an alternative, so how we can just complete that app if there's a limitation, so that we will try to do over here. So before we start implementation, I especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel which is .NET real world example, and then here in last time actually we just build that React app using that local GLM cloud model. And also there's a few recommendation I'm especially recommend over here. So without that GLM model also I can just build many application over here in a free client code without they provide actually the free model as well. And yeah, if you want to build a full stack application and a front end, back end, and AI integration, game development, mobile development, so you can learn many things over here. So yeah, let's moving to implementation. So let's open VS Code first and just make a folder where we will just create a new project, create and select the project. And once you're done, now you have to install your client, so which I already recommend the videos. So go to that client extension, so you can go to the extension in VS Code and install that. And once you're done, you also have to run your Olama in local using this cloud model. Just pull that cloud model as well, so also that recommendation videos, so you can just proceed that. So I can simply run from my side as a Docker. Actually I just set up my Olama my Docker, so let me run it first. So once open, we can simply run my Olama inside the Docker, but that you can run your local itself, it's up to you. So once you're running, we can ensure like about that model is available. So simply we can check Olama as list, so I can able to see that model is available, that is GLM-4.7, right? And yeah, that's it. Once you're done, now go back to our VS Code, and in here go to this client extension, and here I can just ask, okay, let me create one application using that Angular, because last time we have done for React. So we have to ensure, or we have to check like, okay, is it capable to application create all the technology, or is just a specific, because React is a very simple and straightforward, there's no additional configuration, but Angular side actually we require little configuration. So yeah, I already set up this Olama GLM 4.7 in local cloud, and then simply we can ask okay, make a room rent web app, build a Angular based web application, manage room rental, and these are the feature actually which I want, and that's it. Okay, and once I just give this prompt, and also we have to ensure we have to click that plan mode, because we have to first see that how actually they are creating a plan and all, right? So I can simply hit enter. So once I hit enter, now see they just provide few options. Okay, before creating a plan actually they also give some option. Okay, so do you want to local storage, or mock API with memory data, or full backend API, record additional backup setup and all. So yeah, and for this actually currently I can go with this normal local storage, and then later on we will check also this API along with the API. So first, yeah, let me check with this local one. So select this local storage features. Well, once I keep that instruction, so now see they just creating this plan got created, and also they are just application architecture, these are the feature will be there. Okay, and these are models, and this will be a air application structure, and then this is the key component which we will create, and these are the service they will create. And also for UI they will handle those on, and local storage also they will use this local storage, right things. So I think I'm good with this plan, because it is good for this initial level, right? So yeah, I can tell, okay, once I just verify, okay, I'm good with this plan, so simply I can just proceed. And once you proceed, definitely you can check with this act mode, or either if you not, then definitely they will suggest to choose that act mode. So yeah, without check that act mode, let me see how they are treating. Well, see, now they are asking to change to act mode. Yeah, so I can check this act mode and automatically see it is just going to change. And once going to change, now they will start to see creating a project and all everything. So they parallelly actually they open a command prompt and they're starting to create a project. And here they're asking to me to actually which option you want to choose, like a static render mode or not, right? So yeah, as of now I can just simply use that no. And yes, then again it is asking, so yeah, no. And also it is asking for me to css and all, right? So yeah, for that AI thing, so I don't need to that, so I can simply hit. And once you hit, now see they just try to create that project first as a simple Angular template project, and once you're done, now they will implement according to the plan, right? So yeah, also we can see here they just create some few steps. So these are the many steps, actually not a few steps. So initialize project, routing, initialize configuration, and then lots of things actually they have to done. So it will be handled automatically. Actually this client action is very powerful, which we have to build any application using this client along with this our whatever that LLM model. But that LLM model should be also is a powerful. Without is a less powerful model, it won't work actually. So that we are just trying to see over here, like if it is we are using the cloud model, which is not required any GPU and all, which is not required any high performance machine, right? So in this case, how easily we can develop any applications. So yeah, let's wait to complete their steps and project creation. So I can see the project got created over here. So yeah, once you create a project, definitely they will move to other step. And also they just mark it, okay, initialize Angular project, it is done. Okay, and yeah, that need to wait and just simply, okay, they are asking something. So yeah, as of now I can just tell, okay, no, I don't require this. And also yeah, simply it's a no, and that's it. Okay, and also we can see the project structure they just got created, and now they are good to go. And also they are asking to material. So would you like to use proceed that material? Yeah, I can just tell yes. So yeah, let's complete all that process itself, and then we will see once they complete it, so how actually project look like. So I can see it just completed, and also it is running my application. So yeah, I think he faced some issues and all, but they just completed. And if I see the test, all the test features, so yeah, all that step is completed except this uh test features, because I don't think so they are able to test. But yeah, let me try to test. So yeah, let me copy this URL, and also we can see all that applications, that file, and it thinks everything is created. And if I just open a browser and open it over here, and what I can see, so whatever existing template is over there, like that dashboard, so it is there. But if you scroll down, wow, see, the application got created, but same here, but they have not removed this actually. That actually they have to do that. But yeah, don't worry, we will tell to remove this existing design and keep it to only our new feature. So yeah, before that actually, before that, first we were to ensure, okay, all that feature is working fine or not. Okay, so let me add a new room. So yeah, they just create by default all that room. But yeah, this is that all that room here, and this is the room page. And yeah, one thing actually I can see, they're missing that navigation. So yeah, so that we will do also. But yeah, let me add a new room over here. For example, 900, room top single, and price would be something, it's a dollar actually. So yeah, $100. And this is a room 900. Let me put some description and add room. So once you add room, now I am able to see this room is there. That is perfectly fine. along with this availability over here. And if I try to book this, so go to that book over here, and yeah, that booking also I am not able to see. Booking option is there. Cool. So this two or three things actually we have to fix over here, like one is that navigation part, then also booking is not available right now. Yeah, that we have to fix that. So yeah, let me go back to here because that is also important, right? So as of now it's a local, actually we are running in a local with this cloud model without any paid, and also definitely we have to tell little bit things over here. So yeah, what I can do, so yeah, I can just ask, okay, so currently is running fine my app, but few things is missing as a features. So currently I am not able to book the room, that is first. Second, actually menu bar is missing. Second thing is currently dashboard existing design is there, also should be removed that. So yeah, that whatever things actually you observe, so you can just tell and then you can just proceed. So I can simply hit that one, and let's wait to fix that. So once you give that prompt, see, I can see, see, I just whatever that prompt I just provide, so they just add few more steps over here, like for example fix navigation bar visibility, add book room route, and also simply dashboard design, and also then test. So yeah, this is nice actually. So based on the prompt whatever they have done, they just additionally add those things, right? So that is perfect. And yeah, let's complete their fixes and we'll test it again. Perfect. So as I can see, they just completed. Even if I see that all the tasks, so all the tasks is completed, and along with they just provide a document also just like task complete. So yeah, dashboard things they just completed, room management they just completed, booking management, even also yeah, tech stacks, whatever the tech stack actually they're using, so they're just providing over here. And yeah, currently they are asking to, okay, so pending this. So I think it is already running. I have not closed. So yeah, let me check, and if it is not, then we can stop and run it again. So go back to here, and if I just refresh, so okay, let me check like this. Okay, still I can see that old one. Might be it is not properly running. So yeah, for that actually we can simply run this. Okay, this is existing. So yeah, close that application and see that running this app. So yeah, I think they are just directly starting open your application, but yeah, for this actually you have to run this application. So yeah, simply I can use whatever the command previously used that. So go to that particular directory and simply run this application. Yeah, so once you run, now this command will work. Actually they just start your application. So yeah, I can see application running, but they still not remove this, even that I don't see the fixes is over here. Okay, so yeah, let me check, like is there booking is working. So go to here. Yeah, now booking is working, so I can just book this room, for example this guy, and checking date for example this, and out date would be this. And yeah, per day cost this, create booking. Once you book, yeah, book is done. Now go back to here. Yes, so now I can see all the bookings. So this is booked, and it is a cancel. So yeah, I can just complete that. So once you're done, now complete it. So now book is completed. So go back to here and go back to here. Okay, so in this booking management actually, once you book I can able to see only book things. So yeah, that is fine. And yeah, it is also by short by this. So yeah, this is a additional feature they provide, but yeah, I think I'm good with that, but it's still navigation menu and all missing, right? So that I can check. uh Actually that feature also it's not properly working, I guess. Yes, because I will book this guy, right? So yeah, let me try to book again. Why it's not booking? This is okay. Just create booking. Okay, booking got created. So okay, might be I just cancel it. So okay, that is different thing. So yeah, it should be actually redirect. So that is also missing. So if I just go back to here, go to this, yes. So now see, booking is booked. So yeah, previously actually I did some mistaken. So now it's booked, and also the book how many days is available, right? So yeah, after 1 days it will be free. So that is fine. That means feature wise is perfectly working fine, but design's perspective is still is not good, right? So for that again we have to tell, okay, please fix that, right? So yeah, let me ask to according to my issues. Okay, so yes, I can ask, okay, all that feature is working except that nav menu missing. So please fix that, and also just ensure like all that existing template design should be removed from that landing page. Okay, and simply hit enter. So again, they just add another steps, and they just trying to fix that. So let's wait to complete. So finally I can see there's a limitation actually. So so far I did not found any limitation, but yeah, today I got that limitation just because once I try to so many requests actually to build this application, right? So that's why I'm getting that limitation. But yeah, I think if you creating a small application, like as like we have just done previously, right? So that is fine. That will work. But yeah, that cloud model actually now I got that limitation and even the disadvantage, like at some point of time actually it could not work. Okay, so for this actually what I'll do, I can just continue with that with another model, right? So yeah, on here I can just go with this here, and that is actually completely free. So I can use client itself. Okay, and in this client itself also uh, I can see there is a free model which is, yeah, in this recommendation and free section. So go to that free section and I can use any of that free model, like for example cat coder or think larger, right? So or I'll just grow code fast, right? So yeah, I think this is default one. I can choose that, and now I can tell, okay, resume the task, and see how they are fixing over here. And here they are asking to sign in client. So yeah, simply I can just sign in the client. So once you authenticate, now see it is showing the bill and uses. So simply I can just turn now, and yeah, I can just retry. Perfect. Now see they just got started, like whatever step previously we are uncompleted with our local cloud model. Now they just start newly from here, like whatever that issues was there. So yeah, let's see that how actually easily fix that. So here I can see the application now fixing the issue, and along with there's running also. So yeah, let me try to see how now is new look as per our instruction. So go to here. Yeah, so I am able to see perfectly the dashboard and things like over here in the navigation, right? And even if I see that, okay, so these are that all the room. So if I go to the room, so it will go to the room section. And yeah, so currently whatever room, I can just add a new room even if I want to book. So yeah, so let me try to book in something test, and just go to that, set some this and this. Yeah, and just create booking. Yeah, once you're booking, now go back to dashboard. Yeah, that is booking over here itself. So yeah, now it's perfectly working fine. But yeah, definitely there's a drawback which we found for this GLM 4.7 for cloud version. So it is just some limitation, like only just a small application we can build it. But if you large application like front end, and along with that complex front end and along with the back end, so definitely it could not be continue on the same day. But yeah, for tomorrow I think that is fine, we can continue. And yeah, so alternative over here, like you can also continue with this client itself. Like in the client itself also they are the flexibility, just log in with normal 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 login. So it just provide this few free models over here. So yeah, so far actually I just create a many application. If you want to, you can see that in our recommendation videos. So I did not get any limitation like too many requests and all for this client free version. So yeah, you can just continue if you want to. So yeah, that pretty much good for this session, and thank you. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.